Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up fingerprint unlock on your Vivo Y200. If you are using Vivo Y200 and now you want to set up your fingerprint unlock, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings app. From here, just scroll down and look for password and security. Tap on it, then select fingerprint. From here, you just have to enter your phone password if you have, and then you have to select add fingerprint from here. Tap on it, then select start enrollment, and after that you have to put your fingerprint on your fingerprint sensor until this process has been completed. So just wait for it, and after the process you just have to tap on done, and then you have to make sure that these two settings are enabled, which is unlock. If you want to use your fingerprint on your screen unlock, you have to enable the first setting, and if you want to use your fingerprint for an encryption might, if you are using any app locks, you can easily use your fingerprint for this. You have to enable these settings. So that's how you can easily set up your fingerprint on your Vivo Y200 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.